In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a black background with white text in Microsoft Excel. This simple formatting trick can really help highlight certain data, create a clearer visual presentation, or simply fit your personal style preference as you work in Excel. Let's dive right in and explore how you can apply these changes step by step. First, ensure you're logged into Microsoft Office 365. Once you're there, locate and click on Excel from the suite of apps available. After launching Excel, you'll see an array of workbooks listed. Select the specific workbook you're interested in, open it up, and get ready to make some visual magic. Now let's start by applying this formatting to a specific cell or range. Begin by selecting the particular cell or the range of cells you want to adjust. With those selected, head over to the top of your screen and find the Home tab on the ribbon. This tab is your go-to place for various formatting options. Look within the font group of this tab. You'll notice an icon that looks like a paint bucket known as the fill color icon. Click on its drop-down menu and choose the color black or any other dark color that suits your style. This will change the fill of your selected cells to black. Once you've set the fill color, it's time to change the font color. Still in the font group, find the font color icon. This icon is signified by a letter A with a color bar underneath it. Click on its drop-down arrow and select white from the color choices available. This change will switch your text color to white, creating a sharp contrast against the black background. What if you want to apply this striking black and white theme to an entire worksheet? Don't worry, it's just as straightforward. To select all the cells in your worksheet, simply click the Select All button. This is the tiny triangle located at the intersection of the row numbers and the column letters right at the top left corner of the worksheet. Clicking this will highlight your entire sheet, allowing you to apply format changes universally. With the entire sheet highlighted, let's refer back to those handy steps from before. In the Home tab, look to the font group once again. Click on the Fill Color drop-down, just as we did early on, and select black for a sleek background color. Next, focus on text visibility by clicking the Font Color drop-down and pick white for a bright, contrasting text shade. And there you have it. You've just learned how to dramatically transform your Excel sheet's appearance by turning the background black and the text white. This is such a useful technique for making certain data rows stand out and improving readability in various lighting conditions. Give it a try, experiment with your own workbooks, and see how this change can improve your workflow and data presentation. Thanks for watching.